Well, guys, it's in, it's running. Started on it this morning about 11:30. It's like 5:30 now. And here we go, final product. Now, we are going to go drive it. Everything's good. We don't hear any bad noises. We checked the old oil that was in it. It looked good. So we're going to go take it out, replace the spark plugs, and we're going to go take it for a test drive. All fluids are topped off. Everything's good. Cross the fingers. Hope this motor holds up, because I'd really hate to go back down to Salem, Oregon again to see my lovely guys at GNR Auto Wrecking. Alright, guys, but they did make it right. Let's see if this motor holds up, and they were telling the truth. Well, guys, it survived the test drive. Take it out tomorrow and do some more testing. Alright, guys.